Okay, so we want to be able to convert from polar coordinates to rectangular coordinates. And we want to be able to go the other way as well. So rectangular coordinates, that's your old x and y. Polar coordinates are your new r theta coordinates, okay? So we kind of alluded to something like this before. We had a point, when we started trigonometry, and we said, well, there's a distance here, and then there's a distance here and a distance here. That forms a right triangle. We called this theta, and we called this r. And we had unit circles, and we had, other circles too, but we had that situation. Well, because this was a coordinate system, a rectangular coordinate system, we said that point was x comma y. If that's true, then this distance is x and this distance is y. So you have all the pieces there for both polar and rectangular. Now we're going to use the trigonometry. So we would say the sine of theta is equal to y over r, opposite over hypotenuse, and the cosine of theta would be equal to x over r. Well, we want to have this strictly in terms of y equals something, x equals something. So we're going to multiply both sides by r, and we're going to have r sine theta equals y. Usually we're going to write y equals r sine theta. So you're going to want to remember that or write it on a note card. And then over here you do a similar thing, and you're going to get x equals r cosine theta. So if you're trying to figure out the rectangular coordinates and you know the polar coordinates, you can find y and you can find x by using the r and the theta. Okay, so that's the idea here. I think that's it for this video.